Big sprites observed over Oklahoma. It's a great place to see sprites. These are exotic forms of lightning leading up from clouds above regular lightning into the atmosphere. And this is something that has recently been found. Space Weather has a nice collection of images, and we'll see them together. Sprites over Oklahoma, big sprites. They're lightning leading up from thunderstorms instead of down. And last night near Edmond, Oklahoma, Paul Smith photographed a bunch of these sprites. He said these were some of the largest spanning multi-events I have personally seen, with sometimes 5 or 6 sprites sequentially firing along the line of the storm for what must have been more than 100 miles. And he goes on to say it was a very strong, fast-moving cold front with strong winds, large hail, tornadoes, perfect conditions for sprites, end quote. Now, Oklahoma is the epicenter of a region that people call Sprite Alley, a corridor stretching from across the U.S. Great Plains, where intense thunderstorms produce lots of sprites. Increased level of cosmic rays in the atmosphere may be boosting this phenomenon because cosmic rays are known to help trigger this type of lightning. He says, I have been recording sprites since the summer of 2017, when I accidentally caught a few during the perceived meteor shower. These large frontal storm systems are fairly typical in the southern plains in the fall, and I hope for more captures over the next coming weeks. More examples may be found on Paul Smith's Facebook page and on his YouTube channel. Now, what are they? As you can see, they're things that are above our troposphere, where we see our regular lightning. Above that, we can see blue jet lightning on the stratosphere, and we can see the sprites or elves above the sprites, that a reddish type of a glow in the mesosphere and thermosphere. Sprites or red sprites are electrical discharges, and they occur high above the thunderstorm clouds or cumulonimbus and give rise to quite varied range of visual shapes flickering in the night sky, usually triggered by the discharge of positive lightning between an underlying thundercloud and the ground. Sprites appear as luminous reddish orange flashes. They often occur in clusters above the troposphere, way up high, at an altitude range of 50 to 90 kilometers, that's 31 to 56 miles up. Sporadic visual reports of sprites go back to at least 1886, but they were first photographed recently, July 6, 1989, by scientists from the University of Minnesota, and have subsequently been captured in video recordings by thousands during this time. Sprites are sometimes inaccurately called upper atmospheric lightning, but sprites are cold plasma phenomena that lack the hot channel temperature of tropospheric lightning. They are also more akin to fluorescent tube discharges than to lightning discharges, and sprites are associated with various other upper atmospheric optical phenomena such as blue jets and ELVES. Upper atmospheric lightning or ionospheric lightning, terms sometimes used by researchers to refer to a family of short-lived electrical breakdown phenomena that occur well above the altitude of normal lightning and storm clouds. Now, the cold plasma. The plasma is one of the 4 fundamental states of matter. It was first described by chemist Irving Langmuir in 1920s. Consists of a gas of ions, atoms which have some of their orbital electrons removed, and free electrons. Plasma can be artificially generated or heated by heating or subjecting to neutral gas. So this is what has been recently found, and I'd like to show you some of the images that we have on Space Weather so you can enjoy them. Images of this have been also captured by the ISS. You can see it here above that cloud. There's that little red tinge about 1 to 2 o'clock position. That's the, and this is a close-up of it, and it basically, it's not just one, it's about two of them, at least two of them together. And it's supposed to be from the ground towards the atmosphere. We are at space weather, and this is a beautiful picture of it. This is what Paul Smith took from Edmond, Oklahoma. Fantastic picture, as you can see, amazing. And he's been doing this for a couple of years now. And let's go see the photo gallery. You can enjoy this. Again, this is part of space weather, and this is Paul Smith's picture that we saw before. Jet over tropical storm Karen. That's it right there. And there's more here. Paul Smith again. This was August 12th. This is over Switzerland. Look at this. This is amazing. This is over the Czech Republic. And this is during the Perseid and Jellyfish Sprites. The Perseid shower and the Sprites. Amazing. Czech Republic again. There it is. This is, we don't know what that is. They say unknown sprite. I'm sure they're finding new types all the time. This is another one, Paul Smith again, June 30th. Martin Popper, Czech Republic. This is amazing. Look at this, the way it's spread out. Red Sprites again from Germany, June 9th. Martin Popek, Czech Republic, May 12th. There's, look at this, bright halo over that. Amazing. The halo, as we said, is this thing here. Right there, the elf. That's the sprite, that's the halo over it. Amazing that he got that as well. That's the halo. More from Martin Popek, August 15th, Czech Republic. I've never seen these in my life, but if we do see them, we know what they are. Usually above lightning. This seems to be a clear sky though, here. Yet again, maybe they have something from the distance that they see them. Again, clear skies, but how is it you have, perhaps in the distance there's a lightning discharge and causing this plasma outburst. So there's more next. Let's see what they have on the next page. Again, Czech Republic. That's very bright right there. This seems to be spread out. Frankie Lucena, Puerto Rico, May 24th. Some of these are videos, as you can see. Let's look at this one. Gigantic jet lightning collection. Look at that. It's going from down to up. Amazing. Amazing. Puerto Rico again. Amazing. Amazing. Gigantic jet. Let's see what this is. I didn't see anything there. All right. Okay, so there's a lot more pages here if you want to see. I'll leave a link below for you for this. Okay. Proton arc with sprites. In Alaska. Amazing. Amazing. Alright, so that's a Perseid shower, August 12th. I'll leave links below for you for this. That's something there, but we don't have a very good view of that. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it. This is something different, definitely new. So for those of you who are in Oklahoma, that's Sprite Alley. You're lucky. You can get a lot of wonderful images and videos of it. And for those of you who have clear skies or are around lightning in the distance, perhaps you're lucky enough to be witnessing this as well. Sprites and their halos. They add the elf on top. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.